Home Depot. You said what?
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
What you ready? You ready to take the ball? Okay. I forgot what the color was. Was it like a this color? Is it this color? No, but we sure finna pick a color today. That's for sure. I kind of want like a. Okay, we're gonna go with this. This greyhound. Yeah, we're gonna go with this greyhound color right here. Okay, so I got my paint. I got my little tools that I'm gonna need to paint. I was looking for some other things, but I think this is about I'm about to wrap it up here at Home Depot and head on to the next location. So as you see here, this is what my room looked like. And of course right here I'm just cleaning, taking some stuff out. But those are the walls right there. And then you see little Picasso. Yeah, he did that. My 2-year-old. Okay, so y'all remember the dresser that I got from Five and Below, the little shelf that I got from Five and Below. So here it is right here. I also put the two little storage little bins in there. Like I said, I wish I would have got two of these, so that way I could have made it a little bit higher. And then here is that light that I got from Five and Below in the last little see what I got video. That is the light. And of course you had to use what, 3 batteries. So yeah, and it comes on. Then I decided to put the plant right here and the other little thing on this side right here. And of course I put the lights behind the TV. Oh, I got a double up though. AirPods. I need to clean my TV. But yeah. And I almost forgot about the laundry bin that I had got. And I guess it does the trick. Oh, I just have clothes in there, of course. I have sneakers right here. That's that shelf. That's that. So I'm just gonna let you see an overall look of the room, like in with the lights, you know, regular room time thing going over here. And of course you see I have my floor mirror, and then right here I have my rainbow hot dogs. I have a little collection of rainbow hot dogs. I have a camera there, tripod stand, lotion, you know, all that good jazz. And yeah, this is pretty much what the room is giving now that the baby artwork is no longer on the it's no longer around.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?